This video will explain how to install the Ganglia monitoring tool on the SMS host for our virtual cluster. Ganglia is a scalable distributed system monitoring tool for HPC systems. The first thing we want to do is verify that our global variables are still in place. I'm running two panes with Tmux. The top pane is the action pane, and the bottom pane will be the result pane. Any actions that we perform in the top pane, we'll be able to view the results of those changes in the bottom pane. Both are active with the global variables, so we can get into installing the Ganglia meta package from the OpenHPC repository on the SMS host. We're following section 3945 in the OpenHPC recipe guide. To put our bottom pane to use, we'll do a reverse search for the du command that we used before to watch the size of the ch root, as we now install the Ganglia compute node daemon on the compute image. The Ganglia OpenHPC meta package comes with a configuration script that we can use to enable the unicast receiver on the SMS host. We will copy that from OpenHPC into Ganglia, and we will overwrite the file. Then next, in the OpenHPC guide, we're going to be making some regular expression changes to the Ganglia gmond configuration file. So it's a good idea to observe that file to make sure we understand what changes we're about to make. So we will cat etc ganglia gmond.conf, and we will grep for SMS. The default file has host set to SMS, and we're going to update that to the name of our machine, the SMS host. Perl to replace it. We'll search for the line SMS, and instead we will be replacing it with our SMS name. It's updated it from the SMS symbol, the SMS like that, there. It's updated that to SMS host. Right, so we've updated that. Then we need to add the configuration to the compute images, and we're going to provide a grid name. For that, we can copy our newly modified gmond file into the ch root. Again, just as an exercise in making sure that everything is correct, we will check the ch root, and we will watch the ch root, noting the date of the file was March 12th, and when we run it, watch down here, overwrite it, it's updated to the date. Finally, we're going to be updating the gmetad config file with our grid name. So again, we will watch for that, and we'll follow what the recipe says. We will add grid name my site to ganglia gmetad.conf. Watching down here, we should now see a new grid name being entered. And then we're left with starting the service system, ctl enable gmond. You might notice that sometimes I'm receiving an alert that I have mail. That is an alert about some compute nodes that are not active at the moment. You may experience a similar response in your system. You can ignore it for now, but if you want to, you can take a look and see what it says. Once that's all done, we restart the web server. At this point, Ganglia should be enabled and it's running. We can run a quick test to make sure that the Ganglia is actually functioning. We'll do that with a text-based web browser called Links. When it's completed, it's a simple process of loading Links browser and going to this website, localhost/Ganglia, and we should hope to see some functionality from Ganglia. We can accept the cookies. And there we have Ganglia, my site, grid report. It doesn't look very flashy, but it does confirm that Ganglia is working. To double check that, we can disable Ganglia and run Links again. And the data is not there. And we can start Ganglia again and then refresh this page. Refresh this page here. There it is. So we've confirmed that Ganglia is in fact working.